Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Chonovek, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So guys, in today's video we are going to be cooking. Yes, it's Jessie's cooking series. I hope you guys missed my food. Did you miss my food? Let me know in the comment section. Yes, today we are cooking jollof rice. The last video I did, my cooking series I cooked fried rice and chicken, and I did okra soup and ogbolo, right? Yes, and I also did oha soup. So today I'm going to be doing jollof rice, yes, and fish. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So guys, let's get this cooking, this delicious food started. Bye. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to parboil my rice. Just in case, I'll just be moving this camera to wherever I am because what I'm going to use to parboil the rice.
We left the room of fight once again, love. Yeah, we said some things we didn't mean.
People have measuring cup
I always start the
I do
fight
have
and you put the fire
in my house.
I always say too much and I get jealous. I never hear you out and that is selfish. I always start the fire and you put the fire out.
People have that in your house. African house.
All the way we look think I know you're hiding. I didn't mean to start a war, I'm still learning. How to check up on my feelings, you know it is hard sometimes. Maybe I just need some time, some space to figure out how to keep
So I cooked 2 cups of this.
If you
You just
give
put
me
the last
one more
one.
try, I just realize that it was peace too. Maybe I just need some time, some space to figure out how
So
to
we're going to leave the rice to parboil to remove the starch from it so that we can wash it and start cooking the jollof rice. But I'm going to, first of all, I'm also going to as the rice is boiling, as the rice is boiling, I'm going to be parboiling our fish, and also I'm going to parboil the tomatoes, pepper, and tetashi. I'm going to parboil it, then I'll use a hand mixer to match the tomato and the rice. So guys, right here I'm washing the fish, and I'm also going to show you all the tomatoes and what we're going to use for the tomato paste. So I'm just rinsing my pot, then moving the fish into the pot. That's what I'm doing right now. Then this is the tomato, tatashi and pepper and shombo. They call that one shombo, which I'm going to transfer them in another pot, that pot right there, and we're going to cook it. So this is also the tomato I'm going to use. I'll just peel out the head, remove the head from the body of the tomato. Just remove those ones, then slice the tomato into pieces. Then I will parboil it. Yeah. So now our tomato and fish, they're all on fire. So I'm going to add the ingredients into the spices section. Fish. I still have some spices to add to this. So we're going to use this. Bay leaf, all the spices, Italian season, basil, oregano. This is all I'm going to be putting inside this jollof rice, sorry. Then let's not forget our jollof rice spices. So I'm putting seasoning like Maggi seasoning inside. That is no, I'm using no, 1 cube of no. I'm gonna add salt and curry and thyme. to parboil the added bay leaf to parboil the fish, and a little bit of black pepper to parboil the fish. That's what I did right here.
Sometimes you lose it, sometimes it calls you right in the room. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger.
I'm adding onions to the fish.
Bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down. Give me your pretty, give me your messy, give me your happy, give me your sad. I may be staying,
Yes, Mom, I'm
I
coming.
may be going, I may be left, I may fall apart. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my
I'll be right back.
easy
Experimenting.
bringing me fire.
I got this new set of knives, so I'm trying them out. This is my first time using the knife. I'm going to use it to slice onions. This is what it looks like inside. So let's try this one. Definitely, if I try one, definitely all that's going to be sharp. So I got this one. Onions.
Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head. Oh, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down. Taking me
So our rice is ready. I'm going to drain out the water. So as you guys can see, that is the starch. So I'm going to drain it out. Then I'm going to wash it. Then we'll start the process of the jollof rice. But first of all, I'll also check the tomatoes, and when it's ready, I off it. Then we'll blend the tomato with the blender. I also did a short video on this. Guys, go check it out.
Don't play with my heart, baby. I should have known from the start.
So guys, it's time for us to cook our jollof rice. But first of all, I'm going to fry the fish. And also, as I cook, I clean so that it's more easier for me to be done when I finish cooking. So I'm going to add the oil. I'm using King's oil to cook. I'm going to use that to fry, and the oil I added in the pot is what I'm going to also use to cook the jollof rice. It's important for you to use the same oil you use to fry whatever you fry to cook the rice, so that the taste of what you fry will still be inside the rice. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, when the fish is ready, as you can see now, it's ready, and we'll start to cook our jollof, amazing jollof rice. So I'm adding my onions and garlic, and I'm going to stir fry that a bit. Then I'll add our tin tomato. Then I'm going to fry that a bit more, and fry that very well, and to my satisfaction. Then I will add the tomato paste which we just made. It was smelling so good. My kitchen was smelling so good. So I'm going to add that, and I'll also mix those together. And this jollof rice was really amazing, guys. Like, just so good. So allow that to simmer for like 10 minutes or more, depending on you. Allow that to simmer for 10 minutes. Then when that was ready, I will be checking it and turning it. So here I'm adding the sauce was ready. So now I'm going to add the fish water and now mix. Then I'll add our spices. I added bay leaf, ginger, fresh ginger. I added that, maggi, salt to taste, curry, all the ingredients I had. I will show you guys what I'm going to be using. I added everything inside this pot. And also don't forget our jollofrice spices. I also added that inside. Then I added the water because I tested my rice to make sure that my rice is not too soft. So I know the amount of water I am going to use to cook the rice. So you have to know when if your rice is soft or too soft, so that you know the amount of water to use. Then if you want, you could add butter inside so that your rice could stand. But me, I didn't add butter in this recipe because I didn't want to do that. Yeah. So guys, so I'm adding my rice and I'm going to use this stick. We call it toner gari. I don't know what you guys call it. I'm going to use this stick to mix everything. Taste in a bit. So guys, this is my plate of rice. That's so good. I'll be diluting this thing with malt or Coke or Fanta, whatever you want to dilute it with. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this our cooking video, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Alright guys, so I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye guys.